A warm welcome. This is Electric Energy Generation Utilization and Conservation course with the lecture 2.5 indicating the smart air conditioning units. The word smart, it's the main key word which is used nowadays recently in the advanced technological environment. Air conditioners, we have already learned more about air conditioning systems, how the process is going on in conditioning the air, whether it's a cool air or whether it is a hot air, whatever it is. What is the word smart introduced in air conditioning units? We already know the normal split AC air conditioners or central air conditioners, they have the capability to sense the temperature limits, that is the upper limit as well as the lower limit. So by sensing the upper limit and lower limit, they are modulating the operation of the air conditioner either to switch on or switch off its operation. This is what is the normal control impact which is present in the air conditioners. Now, in order to improve the energy efficiency, the smart term is being brought inside. What does the smart word emphasize? When talking about reducing the use of energy, it's an urgent necessity locally, globally, as well as environmentally in order to reduce the harmful effects of the carbon dioxide and its impact on heating the earth. In order, thus, the energy efficiency is a key idea where the smart role of air conditioner is emphasized on. So the problems on these impact were studied and the solutions were being found out, and the final solution is decided that there should be a reduction in the excessive energy. So how can we control or how can we reduce the it's not reduction actually, it is the perfect usage of an air conditioner system. So we can see this is window type and this is split type ACs, and we have centralized ones. So what we can do is switching on or off can be done with the help of a mobile system, right? Suppose if we are switching on our air conditioner and just without reminding, we are just leaving the residence or the institution or the organization without switching off the air conditioner, then what will happen? For the entire night it will be in on state. Then the energy consumption, the electricity energy consumption will be heavy, and this will create a cost impact. So what are the different types of handling? This is one way what the problem will occur. So what we can do: first, normal refrigerant flow we have already seen with the split type. Here we have one unit inside and the one unit outside. That is, the condenser coils are present outside the room, and here we have the evaporator coil. Here this is the refrigeration, air conditioning system. Then provided this is the MSN is sensed mass. So this, with these parameters, the transfer function of the system is created. That design will be then executed in order to frame that or produce that particular device, whether it is a controller, etc. In the first case, the same thing, we have an evaporator, set, compressor, condenser, and then the expansion valve. In case of expansion valve, we are going to use capillary tube. So what is going on in this case is the temperature sensor will sense the temperature of the room. It will be feeding that back into the on or off controller, and that on or off control will activate the compressor, and the entire process will be carried on, whether to cool down the inside air or whether to stop cooling since the air is already in cold state. This is in case of capillary expansion valve. This is what we have explained till now. It's a capillary expansion valve. We are replacing that with an electronic expansion valve. When you are replacing it with an electronic expansion valve, it will also be of small size only, but since it is an electronic one, the on or off process is very much quickly initiated, either it is on or off. So the process is getting into a tact, it is getting improved. And next, while you're going with smart air conditioning system, including this electronic valve, you can have an IR detector which can detect the presence of the number of occupants and the occupants position where they are, so that the air can be conditioned only in that direction rather than cooling the entire room surface. And next we can have a web or personal phone or mobile phone or a wearable device like a watch or something else, where the control action can be taken place, either switching on or off, or whether to increase the temperature or to decrease the temperature, or if we are supposed to providing the actual state of our need, then that information has to be linked towards the smart control, and this smart control will enable the operation of the air condition system. This is what is called smart air condition system.